Hey, what's up, fellas? We're going to Springfield to ride some street. We're meeting up with Matt, so it should be a good time. I always want to ride street, but sometimes it's just easier to go to the skate park. That was so artsy. Every drive I'm on, dude. Impulsive. Logan Paul. Come on with me. Whoa, man, it's a wild MRN. Can he do it? He does it. That guy's professional as heck. So, dude, I didn't know what we were doing. Dude, I'm surprised you wanted to come out here.
I'm a street guy. You'll never catch me at a park like Belchertown or Holyoke or something.
I'm seeing a curved wall ride, man. You want to hit that?
I think I'm gonna go. You think I can do the whole thing?
Because you're going this way, gap to street.
Okay. You just need to stand here and tell me like when I can go in between one of these cars.
You could probably squeeze in between here.
That's pushing it. Yo, some BMXers. That's vegan. That's vegan.
Nothing gets my cock hard like a loud car, man. Thanks a lot, dude. Now I'm bricked up.
Oh. You've got to try this. This is horrible.
Oh.
Let me see if I can back you up first try.
Yes, dude. We're leaving this monstrosity they call a spot and actually riding something that's worthwhile.
I hear you're putting on quite the show tonight on this stage.
This is my practice run. Nobody really cares about BMX, so I'm trying to change the world.
I think this one might just do it, man. Have you even thought of how to get over this thing and then up?
Don't do this at home. Do you have a stage at home?
I was gonna say, yeah. If you have a stage surrounded by MGM barricades, definitely don't do this. Oh, baby.
This bike 360 so well.
Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about, man. That was the best I've ever seen you do, dude.
Oh my God,
wow.
That felt so cool. Yeah, we gotta go. At the world famous Springfield courthouse spot. You've probably seen this in skate videos, bike videos. Dan Crook was here like the other week. This spot's really fun. I don't ride it too often, even though I'm like right down the street basically. Cops love BMX, dude.
Cops came up to me and they said, don't fall while we're here, we'll laugh at you. I'm so bad at tail whips now. I haven't been able to tail whip consistently for like probably 7 or 8 months.
I hope you just somehow stomp this. Oh, dude, I saw that front foot going for it. You got it, you got it, you got it.
It feels so far from happening.
I know he can do this. He's got the fake legs on, you know. He's gonna rip it, and it's gonna work. Dude. Oh my God, man.
It's a matter of watching your pedals. It's not a natural motion. My feet don't go on naturally. I need to spot and go for it.
Oh. Little gooch action? Jeez. It's a lesson to all you guys. You gotta wear your PPE while you're out here. Wear a cup.
Tire was sucking them under me. I was in the air, I was like, this is beautiful. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh my God. That back foot was just looking a little wonky. Yes, dude.
Do that 180 thing to crank flip. That was sweet. Do it to bar. Ooh, there it is.
Like a freaking weirdo. My dream is to Predator 270 in. Should we give it a go?
Dude, if you do this, this will be absolutely insanity.
I've never seen anyone do this. This would be like the coolest thing I've ever done in my life.
Dude, this is scary to watch.
This is scary to do.
Oh my, dude.
Little Pegs 90.
Oh man.
I caught something straight to the shoulder, so it's like a Charlie horse in my shoulder.
Take a seat, dude. That was outrageous.
If I do this, like, comment, subscribe, send it to your grandma, mom, sister, stepsister, stepmom, definitely stepmom.
What are you at now for subs?
593?
You better get well over 600 after this one. This is heavy duty. I think this is MBD.
I think this might be never been done, if you don't know what MBD means. It's about to be ABD. Austin Bagorio did it. I was gonna do the Predator, but then I saw this dude over there walking like this.
You think you can bar off this thing?
No. No way. If I land this one, this is for Jackie Chan.
Why?
I don't know. Jackie Chan's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
And this is pretty cool, so it just reminded me of him.
One hour later.
The overpegs would be ridiculous either way. It's still MBD, I think. I don't think I've ever seen anybody do it from this side. Oh man! Wow! Gotta celebrate. I gotta celebrate landing that one, man. He's cheating because he has steep forks.
That felt so incredibly perfect. Moving spots. I think we kind of wash out this famous spot. I think we did the craziest tricks, don't you say?
Yeah, dude, I can't believe I pulled that nose manual, the 270, and the tail whip. I mean, I'm a little upset Bags didn't like get anything here, but whatever.
I'm not much of a street rider.
I like to keep it entertaining for you guys. I don't know, I get sick of watching Bags ride.
Oh, I can do that. I think I know why I'm not there.
Why?
My Jackie Chan crystal ran out.
Are you serious? You used it all up on that 270?
I needed it.
All right, man, we'll have to run back to the store. We'll be back as soon as Bags gets his crystal. And we're back. Bags has his crystal now.
Dude, I told you, once I got the Jackie Chan crystal, I was gonna land that pegs the bar.
Threading the needle, baby.
I know you got this one. Yes!
Foot came off, but
If I can get a decent tires in there, I want to pop the 180.
now you're ready. You just needed to throw some upside down tail whips, dude. That's all you needed.
It's pretty doable. 30 legs. Come back next time. I'll jump off that. Maybe if we get 50, 360 it.
7.5 at least, huh? Have you stood up here and looked at this?
I don't need to. I'm a champion.
I was thinking about teleporting to B-Town. You want to meet me there?
I think so, yeah.
Let's see.
We're here, dude.
Bert's playing COD on a beautiful day like this.
The sexiest man alive is playing COD. He's got to stay sexy somehow. Sun damage ain't it. Oh man, the dragon kicks back.
That dragon's on its last limb. It's not getting back up, dude. That thing is toast at this point.
Dragon got my wrist and my ankle yesterday, man. Look at that sticker, all right?
I'm aware.
Ride better. Get back in the saddle, dude. Get back in the saddle and take that fucking dragon head on. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen. It is the world's sexiest man alive, AKA Bert, AKA Evan.
I'm getting into it.
Yes. Matt MRN, AKA the Dragon Slayer. When you refer to my boy, you refer to him as the Dragon Slayer.
I can't miss. I can't miss.
The whole camera crew behind Evan right now.
Like lips. Yeah.
Dragon Slayer and what's that trick called?
I think it's called a revolver.
I'm the revolving Dragon Slayer.
Dude, you did that like it was nothing.
It was nothing. Oh. I didn't even...
And he still kicks it.
Clean it up, clean it up. Oh, I straight up. No extendo, looks
I thought
like.
this was a candy bar, not a can't bar.
Man, got me there.
You got me there.
If I had a brim on my helmet, I'd be better right now.
That was sick. Come in here and give Mama a smooch. Give Mama a smooch for that one. That was sick.
Looks like you're sweating, bro. It might just be a good idea for you to take your shirt off.
The live studio audience wouldn't mind.
I'm too cool to get jiggy with it, bro.
Thanks for ending that. Get jiggy, fellas.
Captain the X-Boy.
No, I gotta show your face.
No, we good, we good. It's
Come on.
worth millions, it's worth millions.